I have caught shadows out of my peripheral vision, and when I go to look, they're not there. Being scientifically minded, I get up and try to figure out if there's movement outside, something like that that's causing a shadow to form, and I don't find anything. But it's happened my whole life pretty regularly, actually. A quick little glimpse of one. I had what you could consider, what some might consider a shadow person experience actually at school the other day. And the only thing is that I was actually able to see and make out different things. So it wasn't a shadow person. I would have considered that an apparition because I could actually see patterns and shapes and colors and things like that. And shadow people are just, they're not colored, you know. Was a paper published in the British journal Nature that described the case of a 22-year-old woman with no history of psychiatric problems who was being evaluated for the treatment of epilepsy. When a region of her brain called the left temporal junction was electrically stimulated, the woman described encounters with a shadow person who mimicked her body movements. Electrical stimulation repeatedly produced a feeling of the presence of another person in her extrapersonal space. Co-author of the study, concluded by a team of researchers from the University Hospital in Geneva, Switzerland. When the patient was lying down, stimulation of this brain region caused her to feel that someone was behind her. She described the person as young, of indeterminate sex, a shadow who did not speak or move, and whose position beneath her back was identical to her own, according to the researchers. When she sat up, leaned forward, or collapsed to her knees, she felt that the figure was also sitting, embracing her in its arms, and she felt disturbed. So yeah, there's lots of different explanations for this, including in the scientific community.
But it now seems that other dimensions may be science fact rather than science fiction. We now have reason to believe that space-time may have more than the 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time that we experience. The answer may be that we live in a brane world. Here brane is spelled B-R-A-N-E. It means a membrane or surface in a larger space. The idea is that matter and light would be confined to the brain. Thus we could not travel through or even see the extra dimensions. However, we would feel them because gravity would spread through the extra dimensions from shadow branes that we cannot see. There could be shadow galaxies, shadow stars, and even shadow people who might wonder about the gravity they feel from matter on our brain. To us, such shadow objects would appear to be dark matter, matter that can't be seen, but whose gravity can be felt.